2023 का पेपर सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। 25 नंबर से स्टार्ट हो रहा है। द इनएबिलिटी ऑफ humans to taste capsaicin resides in a single gene difference between two alleles, that is P and small p. So the allele P is testing dominant over the non-testing allele. So in the population of 400 individual in Harvey-Weinberg equilibrium, 64 are non-testers. Okay, so how many individuals are heterozygous for the gene? Okay, so in this case, in a population in a Hartley-Weinberg equilibrium, the allele frequencies remain constant from generation to generation. So this remain constant from generation to generation. The Hartley-Weinberg equation states that actually frequencies of genotypes in a population can be calculated using the following formula, that is p square plus 2pq plus q square equal to 1. Okay, so here p is the frequency of the dominant allele and q is the frequency of the recessive allele. So this is the frequency p and q. We have taken both as small actually. So here are 64 individuals of the non-tester, so pp equal to 64, and so you can say that q square equal to 64 by 400, q square 0.16. so taking the square root of both sides, so q equal to 0.4. so since q represents the frequency of the recessive allele, so we can calculate the frequency of the dominant allele using this formula, p1 minus 0.4 p is 0.6. So now to determine the number of individuals who are heterozygous, so that is p and small p, we can use a formula, so that is 2pq is 0.6.4 and 0.48. Okay, so finally we can calculate the number of individuals. So 0.48 into 400 individuals, so 0.48 into 400 number of heterogeneous, so that is 192. So option number D is the correct.